I'm Agent Weiss, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Fitbit Sense. Here's what you'll need: a smart device like a phone or tablet, the Fitbit app installed, the Fitbit Sense, the included charging cable, and the name and password for your wireless network. I'll be using a Google Pixel 4, so the steps might be a little different depending on your device. Also, I'll be showing you how to set up the Fitbit Sense first, but then, later in the video, I'll walk you through some of the cool health metrics that you track, along with installing new clock faces. Then, finally, I'll show you how to set up quick replies so you can respond to things like text messages right from your watch. If you want to skip to those sections, there are links in the notes below. Alright, let's get the Fitbit Sense set up. First, plug in the charging cable and place the watch on it to start charging. While that's charging, download and install the Fitbit app on your smart device. Open it and tap Join Fitbit or log in if you already have an account. I don't have one yet, so I'll create one. Start by entering your email address and password. Here's a tip: make sure you pick a strong password. We have another great tech tips video on that. There's a link in the notes below. Check appropriate boxes and then tap Next to continue. Read through the privacy policy and, if you agree, tap I agree. Enter your name, birthday, height, weight, and gender, and then tap Create an account to continue. Alright, next tap on your device Sense and then tap Set Up. This screen will ask if the Sense is charging. It is, so I'll tap Next. The screen will then give information about location. Check the boxes and tap while using the app. Then tap Allow in Settings. Then tap Allow all the time. Tap the back arrow in the top left. The app will find the Sense and send it a 4-digit code. Type that code into the app to connect the Sense to your phone. If you get a pop-up to pair with Sense, tap the checkbox to allow access and then tap Pair. Now we'll get the Sense connected to your Wi-Fi. Tap Next to start that process. Select your network, type in the password, and tap OK to continue. You'll get a message like this telling you the Sense is now connected to your network. Tap Next to continue. Now it's time to download and install any updates. This will make sure you're running the latest software. To do that, tap Start Update. This process might take some time depending on your internet connection. When it's done, tap Continue. Then, just like before, read through the privacy policy and, if you agree, tap Got it. At this point, you can set up Google Assistant or Alexa on your Sense to do things like check the weather, set an alarm, get your sleep duration, or even start an exercise. It's a really cool integration, but since I'm just setting up the Sense today, I'll tap Skip, but you can set this up at any time in the Fitbit app. A loading screen will appear. This may take some time. If you want to be able to take phone calls via Bluetooth from your phone, tap on See Instructions. I'm going to choose Skip for now. The next screen will give some information about monitoring your oxygen saturation, otherwise known as SpO2. Read through this and then tap Next. Take a few minutes to review this section on bands. It'll show you how to change them. That's one of the great things about the Fitbit Sense. You can easily change the bands to match your style or outfit. Then tap Next for instructions on how to properly wear and use the watch. Swiping from top to bottom will reveal the latest notifications like texts, calls, or apps. When you're ready, tap Next. Swiping from the bottom to the top, you can access widgets for your favorite apps and features. Tap Next. Swiping from left to right will show you settings and modes. Tap Next when you're ready. Swiping from right to left, you'll see apps like Exercise, Timer, and Weather. Swiping this direction will also go back a screen. Tap Next. When you press the side button once, it'll take you back to the clock face from anywhere. Press and hold the side button for 2 seconds to access feature shortcuts like the voice assistant, payments, music, or the timer. When you're ready, tap Next. You can double press the side button to see your 4 favorite apps. This is really helpful to get to them quickly. Tap Next to continue. Now the app will walk you through some of the best practices when it comes to taking care of your new Fitbit Sense. Take some time to review this section and, when you're ready, tap Next to continue. And we're nearly there. Tap Done. Now it's time to actually link your Fitbit Sense with the Fitbit app. Tap OK. then tap Allow. Tap OK to allow the Fitbit app to receive notifications from your phone and send them to your Sense, if that's what you'd prefer. Next, you can set up your free trial of Fitbit Premium, which adds a number of really great features, like learning how to improve your nutrition, new workouts, guided meditations, and programs that are specifically tailored to your health and fitness goals. You can also receive personalized insights, invite friends to compete or work as a team, and complete step-by-step workouts with Fitbit Coach. If you're interested in doing that now, follow the on-screen steps. It's really easy. Or, if you'd rather do it later, tap the X to finish the setup process. And there you go! Your new Fitbit Sense is all set up and ready to go. Now, let me show you some of the health metrics you can track. First, let's take a look at ECG. To install the app, tap Discover from the Today screen on the app. In the Assessments and Reports category, look for Heart Rhythm Assessment and tap Start. Read through the heart rhythm assessment and tap Get Started. When you're ready, and if you agree with everything on this screen, tap I confirm. Now, read through how it works and tap Next. This explains more about the results you might see. When you're ready, tap Next. Now you'll see a video showing you how to start the ECG app. Check it out, and when you're done, tap Done to complete. All right, now let me show you how to install new clock faces using the SpO2 Signature app. This will show your blood oxygen saturation and keep your key health and fitness metrics on one clock face. Tap the profile picture in the top left corner. Then tap Sense, Clock Faces, All Clocks, and SpO2 Signature. Tap Select and Install. When it's done, it'll automatically show up, like this. SpO2 is the amount of oxygen in your blood, shown as a percentage of the amount it could carry. Let me tell you how it works. Wear your Sense to bed, then in the morning, sync it by simply opening the app on your phone. Now, check your clock face to see your average SpO2 level, as well as the range of values detected. All right, now let me show you how to track a workout. Swipe from right to left and tap Exercise. Select your activity and tap the Start button. Swipe up and tap End to finish the workout. It's that simple. Now, like I said earlier, Fitbit Premium is an optional service that unlocks a number of great features and benefits. If at some point you want to do that, simply tap the Premium tab here and walk through the setup steps. All right, for the last portion, I'll show you how to set up quick replies so you can respond to things like text messages right from your Sense. Tap on Today tab and then tap on Profile in the top left. Tap on the Sense device. Next, scroll and tap on Notifications. Tap on Allow on the pop-up a few times for each item so Fitbit app will have access. In the Reply Settings section, tap on Quick Replies. Now I use messages for my text messages, so I'll tap on that. The list will display the default replies and emojis. Tap on one and create a replacement. And there you go! Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, give it a like. If you have questions, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips from Best Buy. Thanks for watching!